Before surgery, my main issue was how to bring her back to the apartment. One or two other accidents also took place. So he made very clear that surgery is the ultimate thing. I am grateful to this doctor as well as Medfin, both. Yeah, okay. Represented by Anup. Actually lifted and brought it here. I am Yogesh Bhatt, my husband of patient Sharada Bhatt. She was having this pain since about 15 years. Somehow we were postponing it, and first they said your vitamin C deficiency, but she was not able to walk. One or two other accidents also took place, so she ultimately, all the three doctors, first, second, third doctor were telling that ultimately the only surgery is the finality, but I was not happy with those doctors. He has opened his clinic here, and this is very, very near, just 2 crosses. Yeah. So I used to see that board regularly. So one day I told her, let us go. So evening we went and said that first instance itself he made very clear that surgery is the ultimate thing. RPC layout. He is in just 2 cross that side. So ultimately we fixed one day. He said, you first mentally prepare for the surgery. Remaining things I will take care. Don't worry. I am doing this kind of surgery 3 to 4 per day. So you need not worry about the surgery part of it. The moment I said insurance and other things, he said, your Anup is there. I will give his number, he will call you. Thing is, Anup I have to remember throughout my life, because the moment he said, and I was about to get out of his cabin here, clinic, I received a call from Anup. Sir, I just received the message. You give me, submit these details, everything I will take care of. I was very happy. That was very fine. And at every stage, there was one person who will receive us, who will do the things and other things. From your admission stage till your discharge from the year. I am grateful to this doctor as well as Medfin, both. Yeah, represented by Anup. Before surgery, my main issue was how to bring her back to the apartment, because there is no lift and she cannot walk. Yeah, but somehow he said, don't worry sir, things they are taking care. You tell that ambulance fellow, he will do everything. So I told him, she was actually lifted and brought it here. Yeah, actually Anup from Medfin has helped me in from the beginning till the end, at every stage, even for booking a cab from here to take her to the hospital, and in hospital at the time of admission as well as at the time of your discharge. I am very happy with the Medfin, and I will try. I have already started recommending, because it will reduce the burden on the patient as well as others. So, exactly, I will recommend Medfin for others also.